Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we'll discuss one act of modern history, that is Charter Act of 1793. So these are the provisions of Charter Act of 1793. First of all, this act extended the trade privileges of East India Company for next 20 years. Okay, so this particular point we can also call it as trade privilege trade in double quote. So if a question comes, which of the following act talks about privilege trade of East India Company, so it is Charter Act of 1793. Now the second point is all members of the home government, that is British, were to be paid salaries out of Indian revenues. So it is a very big point. It clearly says that the salaries of the British officers in their home government will be paid from Indian revenues. So in a way it legalizes, this particular act legalizes the drain of wealth. So in a way it legalizes the drain of wealth theory, which will come later. This theory will come later by our Indian leaders like Dadabhai Naoroji, Ramesh Chandra Dutt. Okay. One more point is a code was framed for all regulations that could be enacted in Bengal. It is nothing but that Cornwallis Code. So a particular code was also framed as per this particular act. One more point is all laws relating to the rights of persons to be printed in Indian languages. So this law says कि जितना भी this act says कि जितना भी laws है जो कि persons के rights के बारे में है, it should be printed in Indian languages so that people can know, because English language सबको पता नहीं था. So awareness के लिए, अपने rights के बारे में जानने के लिए सारे Indian languages में ये कहीं ना कहीं print होगा. Okay. One more act is which I had discussed in my previous videos, that is Regulating Act. So the Supreme Court Admiralty jurisdiction is now extended to high seas. Previously the Supreme Court का जो jurisdiction था, it was only for exclusive economic zone. Okay, as per the Regulating Act. Now who have not gone through the Regulating Act and Pitt's India Act, you can go through the link. I'll provide the link in the description. So यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, जो एडमिरल्टी जुरिस्डिक्शन था, तो पानी का जो शिप का केसेस होता है, वो अभी एक्सटेंड हो गया हाई सीज को. So these are the provisions of the Charter Act of 1793. So in my next video I'll be covering the Charter Act of 1813. Thank you.